Up first this evening, it's a bitter-sweet victory for the Jamaica Police Federation after the Supreme Court handed down the ruling in the overtime wage lawsuit against the government. But as Jamila Maitland now explains, while the court sided with the Federation on some claims, others were shot down.
It's not a blow to the rank-and-file police officers, according to Chairman of the Jamaica Police Federation, Corporal Rowan James.
So we are not daunted by the process that we have to apply. We have been waiting and we have reached this far, and it is incumbent that we go the distance to ensure that all the members who have sacrificed with their lives, blood, sweat and tears, that they are given due recompense.
Corporal James and his team gathered outside the Supreme Court following Friday's ruling. The three-member judge panel ruled that the government must honor the heads of agreement signed with the Federation for the years 2018 to 2019. However, damages sought by the Federation was shot down.
The police officers agreed to accept payment for an additional 10 hours, regardless of the actual hours worked, because of the existing difficulties in measuring the actual hours worked. There is therefore no prospect of loss being established in consequence of the breach. By agreeing to accept payment for 10 additional hours, the claimants had in effect quantified their loss.
The Police Federation was seeking $40 billion in overtime pay for the period. The judges, however, ordered that the overtime system be implemented by March 2023 to prevent any further unrest by the police officers.
It's a major victory for us. It is long in coming, and this is one step closer to enforcing the fact that we have been working over a period of time without proper recognition in law, that we are workers with rights, and at this time it is also incumbent that we therefore move towards enforcing this aspect of the judgment with our Commissioner of Police, with the stipulation of a proper 40-hour work week mechanism going forward.
In a release, Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark says the process of procuring the system to capture the actual time worked by police officers has started. Speaking on Beyond the Headlines Friday evening, he also reiterated that no additional monies be paid out to the Federation.
Come April 1st of 2023, rank-and-file members of the police force can look forward to, the old system will be abandoned, and it will be based on hours worked. If you work 40 hours, you get 40 hours. And if you work beyond that, you get the amount that you worked.